Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In today's fast-paced world, sewing enthusiasts and professionals alike seek efficient and user-friendly tools to bring their creative visions to life. Electric sewing machines have emerged as indispensable companions, offering precision, speed, and versatility to sewing projects of all scales and complexities. With a plethora of options on the market, selecting the perfect electric sewing machine can be a daunting task. To simplify this process and help you make an informed choice, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best electric sewing machines. These machines have earned their places on our list through their exceptional features, durability, performance, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a beginner looking to explore the world of sewing, our recommendations cater to a range of needs and budgets, ensuring that you find the ideal electric sewing machine to support your craft. Let's dive into our top picks and discover the perfect sewing companion to bring your creative endeavors to life. Number 5. GK9-886 Electric Sewing Machine. First and foremost, the overlock stitch formation is a standout feature. It produces clean and professional-looking seams, making it ideal for a wide range of sewing projects. Whether you're working on clothing, home decor, or crafts, this machine handles it all with ease. One of the things I appreciate most about the GK9-886 is its industrial-grade build quality. The use of aluminum alloy and insulating plastic not only makes it durable, but also ensures that it can withstand the demands of heavy-duty sewing. This is a sewing machine that can handle hours of continuous use without breaking a sweat. The 210W rated power ensures that the machine runs smoothly and consistently. It doesn't struggle even with thicker fabrics or multiple layers, which is a common issue with some smaller sewing machines. The power supply requirement of 220V is standard and widely compatible. Number 4. GK825 Electric Sewing Machine. The GK825 boasts a powerful 190W motor, and it shows in its performance. Sewing through multiple layers of fabric or thick materials is a breeze. The machine effortlessly handles sewing tasks that would have been a struggle with a regular sewing machine. With a max sewing speed of 2,600 stitches per minute, it's incredibly efficient and time-saving. This machine is excellent for a variety of sewing projects. Thanks to its walking foot feed mechanism, it handles different fabric types with ease, from delicate fabrics to heavy-duty materials. The stitch length can be adjusted from 7 to 10 mm, allowing for flexibility in stitching styles. The max sewing thickness of 10 mm means it can tackle even the thickest of fabrics. While it is an industrial sewing machine, the GK825 is relatively user-friendly. The lock stitch formation ensures the stitches are secure, and the overall operation is straightforward. The only minor drawback is the size and weight. It's a bit on the bulkier side and might require a dedicated workspace. Number 3. GK9-700 Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9-700 boasts a sturdy and durable build that can withstand the demands of industrial sewing. Its compact and well-thought-out design makes it easy to fit into any workspace, and its weight of 2.8 kg ensures it's not overly cumbersome to move around when needed. With a 190W motor, this sewing machine has plenty of power to handle a wide range of fabrics and materials. It effortlessly stitches through multiple layers of thick fabric and leather, making it suitable for a variety of projects. The adjustable stitch length, ranging from 7.5 mm to 10 mm, provides flexibility for different sewing tasks. The machine also handles a wide range of material thicknesses, from 0.5 mm to 10 mm, making it versatile for various applications. Number 2. GK9-890D Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9-890D is a well-built sewing machine with a sleek and modern design. It feels sturdy, yet it's surprisingly lightweight at just 3.7 kilograms. This makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. The build quality is impressive, and I can tell that it's designed to last. With a power rating of 36W, this sewing machine offers excellent performance. It handles various fabrics effortlessly, from lightweight cotton to thicker materials like denim. The walking foot feed mechanism ensures even and precise stitching, which is essential for professional-looking results. The stitch length is adjustable from 7 to 10 mm, allowing me to customize my projects with ease. One of the standout features of the GK9-890D is its ability to handle a maximum sewing thickness of 9 mm. This makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, including quilting, upholstery, and garment making. The overlock stitch formation is a bonus, giving a clean and finished look to the edges of my projects. Number 1. GK9-350D Electric Sewing Machine. The GK9-350D utilizes a chain stitch formation, making it perfect for a wide range of sewing tasks. Whether you're working on clothing repairs, crafting, or any other sewing project, the chain stitch is incredibly versatile. It's a sturdy stitch that holds up well over time. The machine is also classified as a household sewing machine, which means it's designed for home use, but offers professional-level results. One of the standout features of this sewing machine is its portability. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. I appreciate being able to move it around my home and take it to sewing classes without any hassle. The portability doesn't compromise its performance, though it still packs a punch in terms of sewing capabilities. The GK9-350D is an electric sewing machine, which means it's incredibly easy to use. No need to manually operate a foot pedal. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to go. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, creating a pleasant sewing experience. The power and efficiency are impressive, and it handles various fabric types with ease. Thanks for watching this video.